I'll show you how to send a reminder email from your Gmail. We'll use the built-in schedule send feature because it puts a fresh unread message in your inbox at exactly the time you need it. Open Gmail in your browser and sign in if it asks. Type mail.google.com into the address bar, press enter, and wait for the inbox to load. If Gmail asks you to choose an account or enter a password, do that now. The scheduled message will come from whichever address you sign into, so don't use a personal account for a work deadline by mistake. Click Compose in the top left corner, just under the Gmail logo. A new message window opens in the bottom right corner, and the cursor is already sitting in the To field. You can work right there without opening a new tab. In the To field, type your own email address. If it's the same account you're signed into, Gmail auto-completes it after a few letters, so select your address from the dropdown. If it doesn't auto-complete, type the full address and press Tab. This is the part people overthink. You're not sending yourself a message right now. You're telling Gmail where to deliver the reminder later. If you have more than one email address, type the exact one you actually checked, because that's where this will land. Click the subject line and type what the reminder should say at the top. I would type pay the March electricity bill because that is the first thing I'll see. Keep the keywords early in the subject, not buried at the end. A subject like reminder doesn't tell you what to do. On a phone, notifications often show only the first few words, so the action should come first. Click into the body and add the details you'll actually need later. For that electricity bill, I'd type use the Delta card and the account number is saved on the provider's site. Put the piece of information you usually forget in the body now, so you don't have to hunt for it when the email arrives. If there's a confirmation number or a login, paste it here too, because the message body is searchable later. Now don't hit send yet, because that would deliver the email to you immediately and bury your reminder in the inbox. Click the small downward arrow on the right edge of the send button. A menu appears with send and schedule send. Click schedule send. A second list opens with quick options like tomorrow morning and Monday morning. Those quick presets are fine if the timing doesn't matter, but I need a specific day, so I click pick date and time at the bottom. In the window that pops up, click the date field and choose the day the reminder should arrive. The calendar opens to the current month, so use the arrows at the top if your date is further out. I'm using the 26th of March at 7 in the morning. Then click the time field, set the hour, and keep the morning or evening setting right. This is where people rush. A reminder set for 7 in the evening instead of 7 in the morning shows up 12 hours late. Give yourself a little buffer. If a bill is due at noon, I scheduled a reminder for 8 in the morning, not 11:50. Click Schedule Send. The Compose window closes and a small confirmation slides up at the bottom left saying Scheduled Send. That means the message is no longer a draft. A small undo link also sits there for a few seconds, and that's the fastest way to fix a wrong time without hunting through menus. Click Scheduled in the left sidebar to verify it's there. If you don't see that label, click More in the same sidebar and look down the list. The message shows up with the scheduled date and time next to it, so you know Gmail got the timing right. It won't appear in your inbox until that time. If the time is wrong here, you can catch it before it sends. Now that it's scheduled, the obvious next question is how to cancel or change it. Open the message from the scheduled list and hit Cancel Send at the top. It goes back to drafts with all your text saved, so you can change the time and reschedule instead of starting over. Then click the arrow next to Send and choose Schedule Send again. If you forget that second click, the draft just sits there and the reminder never reaches you. But while you're in drafts, this same schedule option works on any draft you already saved, so you don't have to start from Compose every time. One more thing worth checking while you're here. Click Send in the left sidebar, and you'll see the scheduled message isn't there yet. That's normal. Gmail only moves it to send after the scheduled time arrives. The scheduled label is the only place it lives until then. If someone asks if you sent it, don't go to Sent for proof. Look in Scheduled. Hit like if that worked, subscribe for more Gmail walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments push the video to other people looking for the same reminder trick.